Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Power down the Xbox 360 so you don't corrupt settings, then plug the wireless adapter into the console's USB or dedicated port. You do this because the adapter needs a clean initialization. Once powered, it will draw configuration from the system. Make sure it's within 1 to 2 meters so signal is strong during pairing, and keep it free from large metal objects. Those disrupt radio. Once plugged, power the console back on and prepare to sync controllers. Once the console is on, power your controller and initiate pairing. Press the adapter's connect button until its LED blinks. You press the controller's guide button, then the small sync button near its battery pack. This sequence tells the adapter and controller to exchange ID. This matters because each device uses a unique code for secure connection. If LEDs flash and then settle to a steady light, pairing succeeded. If lights keep flashing, repeat the sequence making sure batteries are fresh and distance is short. Finish by testing controls in the dashboard. Move sticks, press buttons, verify vibration. This confirms full functionality. If the adapter isn't recognized, update your console firmware while using a wired controller because software updates often add compatibility fixes. Make sure batteries are fresh. Weak power is a common culprit. If problems persist, reseat the adapter, move it closer to the console, and restart the system. This resets the radio link and resolves most sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.